Are you trying to figure out what next product you should launch? Do you wonder what are the search terms and the conversion rates that could happen for that product? My name is Stephen Pope and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. In this video, I'm going to walk you briefly through the Product Opportunity Explorer, which is in beta right now. And one of the questions that I got on my live Q&A, which I do every Friday at noon, where you can come and ask me any Amazon question, was, hey, can I see the conversion rates for one of the products on Amazon? And one of the best ways to do this is to come smack dab right in the Product Opportunity Explorer. In here, you can come in and select it by category. On the left-hand side, you can drill down, kind of like what you would do in like a Jungle Scout type of software. Or you could just use the Find Opportunities by Search, which is what I've done here. So I'm going to close that out. So I looked at handmade soap, and there's a lot of things that try and autocomplete here. They're trying to push me into goat milk handmade soap and stuff like that. So underneath here, matching niches for handmade soap in the United States. They're giving me 46 options. You can filter the results so I can see search volume or other opportunities down the list here. And what I wanted to know is just generically like, hey, can I see the conversion rate for a particular keyword for a particular product or a particular product in general? So soap packaging right here, not what I'm looking for, but let's go with natural soap. So this is going to be Dr. Bronner's bar soap, organic soap, and handmade soap. These are the three top keywords for this product according to Amazon. And on the right, we can see the search volume past 360 days, 425,000 search volume. That's a lot. What is their volume? Is it going up or down? So we see a negative there at negative 8%. The search volume past 90 days, 98,000. Search volume growth. And then as we scroll to the right, number of top clicked products at 42, average price at $16.99. So now the question is, what happens if I were to click on one of these products or one of these search terms? Let's see what happens. So we're going to click on, let's see, which one did I click on first? So it looks like no matter which one you click on, you get, okay, so we get a little bit different result here. So I clicked on the product here, and we get 42 top click products. All of that information still but the same. But down here, we can see natural soap, search volume 74,000. And on the right, search conversion rate. So here you can see that this particular product has a 7.4% search conversion rate for natural soap, which is quite good. Let's see what happens when we click on natural soap. We bring other products. Here's the customer need. Here are the top search volumes. So if you want to see like when somebody's looking for natural soap, most of the time they're not looking for a bar, they're looking for something else. So this particular product is one of the few that are doing well for a bar soap. Gives them a little bit of an advantage, doesn't it? So you can see here all of the different search terms, their volumes, which are sorted by most, and then you can see the conversion rate. So I'm just curious, what product keyword has the highest conversion rate? Well, their brand name with Bronner's, that's showing up at the top. Not a surprise there. But the first non-branded keyword, bar soap natural, they have 11% conversion rate. So that's very good for them. And natural soap, another good keyword here. We're seeing this product. This is one of my competitor products. So I'm curious, if I click on my competitor's product, what do I see? So this is a competitor product to my Age of Sage project. We can see they sell the same material as I do. Comes in a nice branded box. They've got 10,000 reviews, basically. They're doing quite well. So click share, 4.4% of natural soap. So you can see the click share drops down pretty fast, right? So first product up there, 8.7, 7.8, 4.4. And then as you get down towards the bottom, we're sub 1%. So that gives you an idea how important it is to be at the top of search results, doesn't it, right? That knowledge that you need to be at the top is why spending more for position 1 in PPC may or may not make sense for you. So here you can see all of these are pretty much the same category: skin, care, body, cleansers. And here's when the product launched. So you can see a lot of these are older products. Here's the 2011 one. 2007, man, those guys are OG, right? That's a long time to be on the Amazon platform with a particular product and doing well still. Here's their average selling prices: $15, $26, $16. This gives you a pretty good indication what your competition is going to look like. You can see the BSR. This is the average rank they have in the top of Amazon. Average number of sellers and vendors for a particular ASIN. So if you wanted to know, like, hey, how many people actually sell this particular product, that might matter more for some of the retailers than, say, somebody who's going to private label. So a lot of great information in here. It's quite interesting. I think I may have overlooked the value to the conversion rate data that's showing up in the Product Opportunities Explorer. So if you haven't done a deep dive on this tool, this is free. It's inside of your Seller Central platform. It's under Growth Opportunities. And in here, you can see a bunch of product opportunity information. This is the first time Amazon has given public information on clicks, click share, conversion rates, and a lot of other good information. So kind of playing around with this a little bit more. There's also the ability to look at the insights and the trends. So here's the niche trend: number of products, average selling price, search volume, search conversion rate, which is a little bit on the lower side at 7%. So a good conversion rate can be anywhere from 8 to 12. But let's see how they're defining search conversion rate. Number of purchases of any product in this niche after a customer enters the search term and clicked on a product. So it's not the actual product's conversion rate after they click. It's, does somebody convert after they start their search? That's really interesting. I'm curious what other metrics are available here. Number of brands, selling partners, all that kind of cool stuff. So what happened on this day on 12/19? Obviously a very, very big uptick in search volume with people trying to find this particular type of niche or product, and the product count goes up and up. So you can see the product count's been up almost twice as much as, say, a year ago. And the search volume is kind of static. So is this a good category to launch in natural soap niche trends? According to this data, no, because there's more competitors, twice as many, and same search volume relatively to a year ago. So that's kind of cool to see some of the trends. Let's go over to the insights. So here we have a lot of data points, product types, average bestseller, brands, and selling partners. So lots and lots of data you can export. So if you're trying to debate, like, what do I need to go focus on, come up and search for something. So let's try incense. This is another thing that I sell. So I sell incense sticks. So we can see all the top products. I guess mine's more of a smudge. So I guess incense sage. Let's see what incense sage shows up. So here's one of my competing products. Big search volume, 1.3 million. Number of units sold, absurdly high. But relatively small niche based on the fact only 2 products showed up, so not a whole lot of information here. Let's try funny wine glasses and see what shows up for that. Only 10 products, so I don't know how they're like capping like what BSR shows up for some of these. I don't know if there's something that they're trying to do with that or not, but here are the top search terms for funny wine glasses, cute wine glasses, funny wine glass, and fun wine glasses. Average price, 18 bucks. And let's go click into this one and see what it looks like. So in here, search volume 33,000. See the search volume growth. Speaking from personal experience, funny wine glasses are down 50% year over year. Look at that, 68% negative. Nobody is buying funny wine glasses right now. Number of units sold, 20 to 25,000. Here we can see some of the top sellers. This is my glass right there. I made the list. That's cool. This is my #1 seller of all time. And I'm getting lots of clicks. Click share, 2.3%. 1,000 reviews. That's pretty cool to see. Average BSR, 828. They banned that product from ads, though. Those evil guys over at Amazon. Because I have the word drinking on it. What do you do? But yeah, so we can see there's another one of mine. Cool. Seeing a couple of mine in the top here. So if you're curious, what is let's go click on my product. Let's see what they got. So here's the actual product. Does it let me drill in here though? Apparently no. Interesting. So let's go to search terms. This is the one that I'm showing up for, is funny wine glass. So let's click into that. So it's giving me niches related. So let's go to trends maybe. So here's the trend line. Huge uptick during Christmas, but notice how it's lower today than it's ever been. Super shrinking category right now. But almost 10% of people who do search convert. That's kind of cool to see. All right, you can see that right there. There's the search volume. There's the conversion rate. Show them side by side. So that's really cool to see some of that. So what do you guys think? What's something that you learned today? Post it in the comment section. We'll appreciate all the feedback you have there. Watch this video next for further tips on how to grow your sales. Also, we're going to do something we've never done before. Would you like to get a free video review of your product? I'm giving these away for free. Go to myamazonguy.com/ASIN and sign up today for a free product review. That's where we personally go in and see how we can increase your sales. So we're going to review it for seller tips, everything from PPC to SEO ratio, so SEO indexing, SEO rankings, market share, traffic opportunities, all that good stuff. So check that out, myamazonguy.com/ASIN. We'll give you a free video review to see how we can help you grow your sales. All right, guys, thanks for watching.